Guys, this is FS Mesh smashing it again. What's going on, traders? I'm just back again, and I just want to show you how USDJPY is performing at the moment. This is a live trade, and I've seen a very good opportunity. It's pretty much a break and retest, which is the fundamental attitude of the market. So what the market really does is that it breaks and retests the previous structure, and that helps us to identify the direction. So now in this one, you can see that the market has created a head and shoulders. This is the head. This head is the structure. This is the left shoulder. This is the right shoulder. Well, this is a little bit, you can call this a shoulder, but this is more descent because of almost relatively the same level with this one, the previous left shoulder. So let's say shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head and shoulders. So what happens when you see a head and shoulder? When you see a head and shoulder, which is like this, head and shoulders like this, pretty much like this. So head and shoulders, we have the left shoulder, we have the left shoulder, and the left shoulder, and then we have the right shoulder. So that's the left shoulder, right shoulder. So you have something like this in mind. So the same thing here is playing out here. So how did I spot a good opportunity? What do I mean by spotting a good opportunity? I mean, I'm being confident of the direction that the market is going to go in the next few hours. So what I did was that since this is on head and shoulder, I'm on the right hand, the right shoulder. So you can see that the market came down. Okay, let's start from here. It came up, it pushed up. There was an impulse here, a correction, an impulse, a correction here, which created a change in momentum. So the momentum was pushing up to the upside. It got to this level, it began to consolidate to the right side, which created a head and shoulder. And later, then it started pulling down. Now, when the market started coming down, actually, when it got here, the reason why I put this is that I was thinking that if the market breaks through this level, it's going to retest, then it's going to push up to the upside, and I'll be taking a buy, and I'll be in profit. But what happened was that the market reversed at about yesterday, which is this morning at about 1 a.m. I think I was at work, and I saw the market almost reversing, so I left it to see what's gonna do. So the market from here came down, it came down, and retested this level. And you know that once the market retests a level and produces a candlestick in the direction of that trend, which is downward trend, you take a sell, and I took a sell from there. And we are going to be seeing what's going to happen in the coming hours. I'll be watching this particular trade and showing you how it played out. One thing about trading is that you have to have an open mind. The market could still reverse, but trading is a possibility game, and you have to work with confluences that aligns with the direction that you're taking. So I'm taking a sell because the reasons being that the market is going down in the downward direction. There's a push to the downward direction. There's a change in momentum from the up to down, following the consolidation. Now then, secondly, there's a break and retest of this previous level, and this is the break, there's a retest, and it's pushing down. So I put my take profit at this point, which is just below the previous structure, to my left, and you can see that's my first take profit. My second take profit is going to be the next key level down to the downside. So, and I'm ready to go. So this is pretty much what the market does. It always break and retest. What I mean by break and retest is that when you have a line, you have a key level, like for example like this, and this is what the market pretty much does. It does. Let's assume this is structure. What the market does is that it breaks the key level. Then it usually tests. Once it tests that key level, it comes back to test it and brings out a wick in that direction of the momentum. you can take a what? You can take a sell, from there, and that's what I've done. So this is the idea, and this is what I follow in mind. This is what I have in mind, and that's the same idea, same concept applied in these circumstances. And I hope to be in profit. I'm gonna add a video of how this turned out. I'm gonna be watching this and see how it goes. This is FX Mesh, smashing it. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll be posting more videos, teaching and exposing more concepts for us to be in the right side of the market. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.